I know we have been talking a lot on this channel about how you can make money online, and that is important, but I want to talk to you today from doing it from a different perspective because I realize a lot of people, they do things uh, a little bit backwards, and I don't want that to be you. So what I'm hoping to do in this particular video is just having more of a talk with you instead of having a high production, highly edited YouTube video that you're normally accustomed to from me, but that still provides you value. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So let's start off with an example. So the majority of you out there, I know you want to learn how to earn money online. I totally get it. That's something that is very appealing to lots of people, myself included. But here's where we go wrong with it. What we will wind up doing is we'll say, hey, you know what? I realize that talking about money online, stocks, bonds, banks, investments, all that kind of stuff, that earns a lot of money online from the advertisements that are placed on top of my YouTube videos. So you know what? I'm going to talk about all things money. But deep down in your heart, you hate talking about money. What you really like is baking. So let me explain that to you. You're doing this because, of course, talking about money online makes money. That's just a given, okay? Just about everything that I've ever done, whether it is YouTube, Facebook, whatever platform I've ever done it. If you talk about money, money makes money. But if you're not passionate about the thing that you're talking about, then you shouldn't do it just for the sake of money. So I'm going to give you another example. Oprah talks about this in one of her talks, and what she says is, and this is what I want you to do because this is exactly how I do it. I don't want you to come at this from the place of, I'm going to make X amount of dollars if I do this. What I want you to come from all of this from, to learn how to make money online easily, is to shift your thinking to coming from a place of service. Okay, what I mean is, serve someone, help someone, okay? And if you do things that way, the money will follow. The money will be a byproduct of the service that you're providing, okay? Here's what I mean. Let's take the baking or bakery example. You love to bake. So what I would like you to do, how do you come at that from a service angle? Show people how to make something. Think about it like this. You may not have learned how to make, for example, popovers. You just learned how to do it. So now you know how to make popovers. But guess what? Somebody else in the world doesn't know how to do it. So what I want you to do is make a video that's targeted to who you were just a short few hours or days or weeks or months before you learned how to make popovers, and do it from that kind of passion, serving someone, showing them, hey, look, this is how I learned to do it, and these are the little steps, and here's the secrets, and I don't want you to make these mistakes, and if you do it this way, this is how the end result's going to happen, and you're going to get these results too. Not, today we're going to be talking about stocks and bonds, and stocks and bonds make money, and yeah. You see the difference there? One, you're passionate, and one, you're not. But you're just doing the other one because you think that makes money. And it does. But you're not passionate about it. So I want you to shift your whole thinking about all of this. Come at the things that you do from a place of service. If you come at this from a place of service, believe me, everything in your life will change. Money will be the byproduct of what's happening. You will still make money, but at the end, you will be more satisfied. You won't be burned out. You'll look forward to what you're doing, and you will be helping someone else or a group of people to get better at whatever it is that you are passionate about. Because trust me, they don't just come for the information. A lot of people are going to come for what you provide, and only you have what the people need. All right, that's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.